I'm meteorologist Peter Hall with your forecast as we take a look ahead. Our weather today still is humid this morning. Your forecast in a flash, I do expect to have some passing showers, maybe even embed a thunderstorm between mid-morning and 1, 2 o'clock at the latest. That kind of corridor has our best chance for showers. Once we get to about 2, 3 o'clock, that activity is moving away. The sun's coming back out. A fresh breeze from the west-northwest comes in, and despite getting warmer, 78, which is seasonable, humidity is getting lower, so you'll feel more refreshing this afternoon. Overnight tonight, not shown here because it's going to be so brief, there is an opportunity of a shower or thunderstorm. Best chances between 5 and 8 p.m. east of Lake Ontario and near the far north country. Best chances between 8 p.m. and midnight, a very quick shower, thundershower possible in central New York, and then tomorrow morning, back to seasonable norms for morning levels, but it'll actually feel a little bit chilly in the low to mid 50s. So it's some morning moisture in the form of mugginess, in the form of passing showers and thunder. But then, like I mentioned, some sun out this afternoon and some lower humidity. Should be a wonderful day on Wednesday. It's dry all day. We do not have to mention any rain at all during the day on Wednesday. But like I've already mentioned a couple of times, it seems around here, at least recently, it doesn't look like we can have back-to-back days where we can say absolutely no rain. Well, there are more day-to-day differences coming up. In fact, on Thursday, there appears to be an increasing threat for some scattered showers or storms, whether they happen a little earlier in the day or a little later in the day in the evening to be determined. But regardless, there are still some showers and thunder showers. Then we're back to Friday. Back to slightly cooler weather, more in the way of sun and dry weather. And then we go to the weekend, and while some of it will be dry, we have again the threat for some showers and thunder showers, more of those differences. Going on the Futurecast, remember I had said anytime between mid-morning and midday we're likely to get some showers, and you notice on the Futurecast we still have some showers over parts of central New York at noon, even a chance of a heavier downpour. There is a flash flood watch until 2. I don't think we're all going to get excessive rainfall, but since we've had quite a bit of rainfall recently, we have to keep an eye to make sure no localized downpours affect especially the central and southern tier, because places like Cortland, Shenango, and even portions of Tompkins, Ontario, and Schuyler counties don't need that much rain in a 1 to 3 hour period to flood. So it's something we're watching. If it becomes more imminent for an advisory or warning for flash flooding, we'll let you know. Notice, though, after we get past the noon, 1 o'clock hour, showers are moving away, 2, 3. And right after the showers move through, the sun should be coming out, and that should allow the temperatures to rebound into the mid to upper 70s during the late afternoon. It should be dry at 5 Oswego south. Way up north, you might be able to see it, a shower or thunderstorm near and north of Watertown, and then that will try to sag south. It'll weaken. I wouldn't be surprised if a brief shower passes through at this cloud cover you see between 10 and 11 p.m. Then it gets cooler. You know, temperatures in the lower 50s are only a little below normal, but it's definitely going to feel a whole lot different. Remember, we've been in the upper 60s to near 70, upper 40s to lower 50s by comparison, feeling a lot different. We should at least have a lot of sun, though, so we take our temperatures away from the low to mid 50s and upper 40s and push them solidly into the mid to upper 70s with just some extra clouds late in the day. Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Then on Thursday, it looks like we should have some showers and storms, possibly early and again late. Boating forecast, winds becoming westerly at 10 to 20 knots. Here are the temperatures. You can find more on CNYCentral.com.